Today's video, based on your request, we will explain how to solve the problem of a compressed file protected with a password. For example, when you finish downloading a file, whether it's a program, a game, or a patch, no matter what type it is, you suddenly see a message saying that you must enter a password in order to extract the files. Of course, this message causes a lot of frustration, especially after waiting a long time for the download to finish, and in the end, you can't extract the file because it requires a password. So, in today's video, we will explain 3 very simple methods to bypass or crack the password of a compressed file. But before we start the explanation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you enable the bell on all so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. After liking and subscribing, let's start the explanation. The 3 methods, as we mentioned, are very easy. You can try the method you find easiest, or you can try them one by one. Method 1. This is one of the easiest ways to bypass or crack the password of a compressed file without using any programs or add-ons at all. All you need to do is go to the desktop and create a new folder. Right-click, choose New, then Folder. Of course, the folder doesn't have to be on the desktop. You can create it anywhere on your computer. After that, go to the installation location of WinRAR on your device. Usually, it is located in C/program files. Open the folder, then open the WinRAR folder. Now, take the file winrar.x, copy it, and paste it inside the new folder you created. Second step, copy the code that I will provide, and of course I will leave this code in the article link below the video. The purpose of this code is that it quickly guesses the password of the compressed file. After copying the code, open a new notepad, not a text file, but the Notepad app itself. If you are using Windows 10, type Notepad in the search box. If you are using Windows 7 or any other version, just search for Notepad. Open it, then paste the code inside. Next, from File, choose Save As. Name the file anything you want, for example, password check, but very important. At the end of the name, add this extension, .bat. So the file name can be anything, but it must end with .bat. Then press Enter. The file will appear like this. Copy it and paste it inside the new folder. Next, go to the compressed file that is protected with a password, copy it, and paste it inside the same folder. Now the new folder contains 3 files. 1. WinRAR.x. 2. The .bat file containing the code. 3. The compressed file that we want to crack. After that, take the name of the compressed file, rename it, and copy its name. Go to the folder path, and at the end of the path, type /, then paste the file name, and finally add the extension .rar. Now copy the full path. Open the .bat file, paste the full path inside it, then press Enter. The .bat file will start guessing the password of the compressed file. Leave it running until it finishes. Method 2. This is a very professional method, using a program called RAR Password Genius. This program is free and it works by guessing the password of the compressed file. You will find the download link in the description, along with the article link. After clicking the link, the official website will open. Click Download. When the download is finished, install the program normally. Next. I agree. Next. Finish. After opening the program, you will see a very simple interface, easy to use even for beginners. Click Open, then select the compressed file that is protected with a password. After that, choose Normal or Dictionary. Let's choose Normal. Then click Start and leave the program running until it finishes guessing or cracking the password. Of course, the process may take some time depending on how strong the password is. Method 3. This is a very simple method to crack a compressed file password online. All you need to do is visit one of the websites I will provide. You will find all the links in the article below the video. The article includes everything we use today: the code, the program download link, and the online websites. For example, let's try a website called nzip online. Click Uncompress, then choose your compressed file. Click Open, then click Unzip. As you can see, the website starts working on cracking the password. It will show you the file contents. Click on any file, try entering any password, then click Submit. The website will bypass the password and the files will appear, allowing you to download them again to your device. And that's it. This was the explanation of 3 methods to solve the problem of a compressed file protected with a password. Try each method until you find the one that works best for you. Finally, don't forget to like the video, and if you're not subscribed yet, thank you.